Welcome back. This is Thursday Night Racing. This is the 2020 Hot Rods Club Championship. Let's get into tonight's racing. Back on the track and in the winner's circle is Jim Leichsenring from the US of A. He's in the 33 Ford Roadster. Last Monday he took on the Buffalo and what a close race that was. Can he do the double tonight? Also back on MWR and from the USA is Show Me State Scale Auto Racing. This time he's driving the Bone Shaker. Has he got the pace, the courage and the guts to take on the 33 Ford Roadster? Let the hot rods begin.
Race 1. It's Jim Leichsenring in the 33 Ford Roadster.
A very fast race by Jim and that 30 Ford Roadster. I'm not sure what happened up Mount Western Straight. We'll find out later.
Race 2. Winner! Show Me State Scale Auto Racing in the Bone Shaker.
Sensational win there by Show Me State and that Bone Shaker. That was close.
Race 3. Winner, Jim Leichsenring in the 33 Ford Roadster.
These guys are setting a cracking pace tonight. That was the fastest race I've seen here at Mount Western Raceway in a long time. Jim, 2-1 out of 3.
Race 4. Winner, it's Show Me State again in the Bone Shaker.
Classic racing here on MWR. Show Me State squares it up out of race 4. What's gonna happen?
Race 5. Oh, it's a big DNF. All drivers and teams back to the start gate. All drivers and teams back to the start gate. Race 6. Winner! It's Jim Leichsenring in that mighty 33 Ford Roadster.
Oh yeah, MC, it is Mikey, that's for sure. Congratulations, Jim. You've done the double and the 33 Ford Roadster. Let's look at our top 10. Well, Jim Leichsenring has his third win here right on Hot Rods. This is round 21 and we still have a long way to go in the 2020 Hot Rods Club Championship. Let's wrap it up. Unbelievable racing, guys. I loved every minute of this. Now check this out. This is race 1. Look at the 33 Ford. Got a great line. Just blocks the Bone Shaker. Says, mate, stay there. I'm taking this out. And it says Jim Leichsenring all the way. That's a beautiful line out of turn 2, by the way. And that sets him up perfectly for the win. And it is just him crossing the line. Yeah, that 33 Ford is very mighty and very fast. Race 2. And you can see the Bone Shaker here just has the advantage, just blocks Jim again. He's got some retaliation going on here. Now check this out. Show Me State and that Bone Shaker just seizes the opportunity, floors it and crosses the line. Man, this was close. That was a very close race. And well done to the Bone Shaker and Show Me State Scale Auto Racing. Heading into race 3, there's really not much in this. They're pretty even down the back, but it is the 33 Ford all the way. He just has the pace and the power to be able to handle Mount Western Raceway. He just slides and slips and he's not frightened. This is a really well-weighted and suited car for this track. And a nice little slide just into that back wall. And here comes the Bone Shaker. This is race 4, and this is interesting. The 33 Ford just goes out too hard and fast and slams into the sidewalls. And here comes the Bone Shaker. He just picks that gap perfectly. floors it down the straight and crosses the line and gets another win right here on Mount Western Raceway Hot Rods. Okay, let's head into race 5. I don't normally show DNFs, but I want to have a look at this. You can see the Ford just crosses over and that just forces the Bone Shaker to stack it. What an awesome spin that was. Yeah, okay, no wonder I kept this for review for later. This is race 6 and they're all squared up at 2-all here, and I think the Bone Shaker is completely rattled. Jim and that Ford, no problems. Look at him power down the back, heads into turn 2, slides a bit and just crosses the line and takes his second wind out, driving that 33 Ford Roadster. A big thank you to Show Me State Scale Auto Racing and the Bone Shaker. We hope to see you here again on Mount Western Raceway very soon. Well, here he is, holding that cup up high and proud. It's Jim Leichsenring in the 33 Ford Roadster. Good on you, mate. We'll see you on Monday night. Back after a small layoff is the crowd favourite. It's Marc D of CRCRacing, and he is driving the way too fast. This thing is too fast. Maybe too fast for the track. Can he take the crown off Jim and the 33 Ford Roadster? Catch him Monday. Check ya.